Hey everyone, it's Bowen with Utah BIM, here today with some exciting updates to our ACC to Speckle connector. We now support material colors from your Autodesk, ACC, or BIM 360 models, and those material colors now get carried through to your Speckle models. Our model send is now also faster, and we also made an adjustment that allows for the correct units, either imperial or metric, to be sent with the model. Let me show how easy it is to send a model from ACC or BIM 360 to Speckle and then back to Civil 3D. I think we can do this under 2 minutes, so let's get started. So here we are. This is the toolkit. This is our ACC to Speckle connector. I'm going to pick my project, which is APS to Speckle, pick my project files. I'm going to pick the model I want to send. Here under Speckle, I'm going to pick the stream, the branch, which is this ACC test video, and I'm going to convert and send. I'm going to minimize this window so you can see we've started the conversion task here, and in a couple of seconds it's going to say that the model has been sent. There we go. So then we're going to look over here at Speckle, and in just a second, yep, there's our model. So I went from here from ACC to Speckle in just a couple of seconds. So now quickly, let's come over here to Civil 3D, and we are going to receive this ACC test video. And this is actually going to be the longest part of it. So let's check it out. Cool. Looks like all the geometry is coming in. And then here in just a second, you'll see the windows start to turn transparent as the material colors start getting applied to them. Awesome. So that was under 2 minutes. And now we have the model here in Civil 3D and we can do whatever we want with it. A couple of updates that we're hoping to have here in the near future are better translations of line geometry, and then also giving the material colors a name so that they get imported into Revit correctly. Right now, this works great in AutoCAD, but the colors still don't transfer in Revit. So that's what we're working on. If you'd like to check out our ACC to Speckle connector for free, head to our website, thetoolkit.app, and sign up there for a free account. If you want to get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe buttons below, and we will send more videos your way. Until next time, bye.